Out here on the creek today, fishing some smallmouth. I've already caught about a dozen personally. And here is another. Woo! Finally recording a little video here. Beautiful creek here. Lots of fish in here right now. This is incredible. Great fishing. I caught a good 16 inchers earlier, and this guy's probably about 13, 14. So beautiful fish though, my goodness. Tons of them. Incredible. Seen some suckers in here and lots of minnows in certain spots. But incredible little fishery here. This is my first trip to this new creek, but what an incredible spot. Yeah, this guy's probably 14. Beautiful. I'll get a quick release on this guy in a second. Beautiful creek here. Fantastic. Gave this guy a quick measurement. Measured 14 1/4 or so. Nice fish. Yeah, it's about average size in here right now. That's awesome. Definitely some smaller ones and definitely some bigger ones. Lovely creek. It is a blast. So cool. Hopefully we'll get a lot more fish to come. This guy came from so far away so fast and absolutely crushed it. That was incredible to watch. I cast it right up to that log, and sure enough I saw his weight coming instantly. This guy was aggressive. This guy is bigger. This is probably a 16, 17, 15, 16, yeah. So I just caught this rock bass, measured 10 1/4. So that's crazy. I think 10's master angler. So, well, first rock bass of the year, master angler. Who'd have thunked it, man? That is incredible. Okay, buddy. Get reacclimated. Didn't take too long to measure him, but a little out of his wits, apparently. Oh, there he goes. I just had to spook him a little. He's good. Must have tired this guy out. Slowly moving. Got a pretty big one on here. He's pretty big. One of the biggest ones of the day. Holy smokes, look at that. Woo! Check that out. Might need the net for this guy. Woo! Look at them jumps. Acrobat. Haha. That's awesome. What a tank. Might have to give this guy a quick measurement if I can get him in. Haha, that's awesome. I guess I'll throw him in the net here, so I'll stop recording and do that, and I'll show you the release. Gave this hog a quick measurement, 18 incher. Haha, what a hog. A brute. My biggest one of the day, that's for dang sure. I'm at well over 2 dozen at this point. Morgan sent me a text saying he's already caught 70 smallies. Like, yo, that's insane. Gosh, that's a brute. Haha, that's awesome. Biggin. Go get bigger. Awesome. Casting in that same hole. Hooked myself another 16 plus incher here. Like, wow, that is crazy. You catch fish here all day, probably. But I just dropped my water, or my reel in the water. I'm unhooking that guy, so I think I'm gonna head back. Don't want to ruin my reel. Dry it out. I've had a good day. Sounds like Morgan's heading back. Morgan's gonna make a video of his own, I'm sure, because he's got his GoPro, so we'll see 2 videos from this trip, so that's cool. Because he went downstream, I went up with my mom for a while, and then mom turned back, so awesome day. Beautiful weather. Pretty cool creek. First time out, and I'll be back. It's cool. Cool spot. Bonus fish. Here comes Morgan. Yes, sir. Unit. What a day. That's crazy.